Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make under eye cream from coffee with all the easily available ingredients at your home. I'll be making this cream using coffee oil made from coffee. This gives me a creamy textured cream which can be easily applied around your eyes to remove dark circles, puffiness, wrinkles, tired eyes, and also keep your eye area moisturized always. To know how I made this, please keep on watching. To make this under eye cream, first I'll be taking coffee powder 1 teaspoon. I'm taking pure coffee powder without the mix of chicory. Caffeine in coffee can tighten skin, smooth puffiness, fight free radicals and reduce dark circles and also wrinkles. Coffee grinds has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and tighten your skin. It also has anti-aging properties and it helps to produce collagen. So 1 teaspoon of coffee powder I'll be taking. Next I'll be taking this parachute coconut oil. You can take any brand coconut oil, pure coconut oil. Coconut oil can smoothen your skin, moisturize your skin around the eyes. It prevents dryness and also wrinkles. It is very good for your skin to help fight dryness and wrinkles. So to make coffee oil, first I'll have to use the double boiler method. In a pan I have added water and left it for boiling. Now I'm placing a small bowl in which I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This is I'm using double boiler method so that I can get even concentration of this coffee oil. Without this, if you keep it directly on the fire, this may burn the oil and also the coffee powder. Using a spoon, I'm going to mix it thoroughly. I want concentrated coffee oil. So I'm going to let it heat for 5 minutes. So making any sort of oil by this method is called infusion. So always keep the flame low whenever you use this method. This is to ensure uniform concentration of the oil. You have to heat it in low flame only. So once it is done, you have to cool it and strain it like this. Use a strainer and strain the oil in a clean bowl. What you get at the end is the concentrated coffee oil in this particular process. So I'll be needing 1 teaspoon of this oil at least to make the cream. So I have brown oil which is infused with coffee, all the goodness of coffee. If you have made the coffee oil in excess, you can always store this in cool and dry place. Put it in a dark bottle and you can store it. If you can use this oil as a massage oil, and also you can use this in face packs. Because coffee grinds has properties that help to reduce redness, and it has anti-inflammatory properties also. Next I'm using 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. This also helps to give your skin a moisturized look. Then I'm using 2 tablespoons of cucumber gel. If you don't have cucumber gel, you can also use aloe vera gel instead. But using cucumber gel will give you a cooling effect on your eye. It will reduce the puffiness. So I'm going to mix it in the mixing bowl. I'm taking a small spatula and giving a nice mix into this. Mix it thoroughly so that I get a even textured cream. I'm using both my hands and mixing. So now I got a cream-like texture. This cream is ready to be used. I'm going to transfer this into a small jar. I can store this in the refrigerator for at least a month. Use this every night before sleep after you wash your face. Give a slight massage around your eyes using this cream. Next morning you can see how your dark circles start to reduce. You can find visible results after a month. This creamy texture gives your skin a very smooth finish. So if you want to know more such simple DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.